Yaha! Good afternoon, people. Yep, another beautiful Sunday out in Georgia. We are no longer under madness of crazy cold weather and crazy snow, rain, sleet crap. You can actually get out and enjoy the car. It is a crisp 70 degrees today. Beautiful day. And I believe next week I will be dropping the car off at Injected to go ahead and get this stuff underway. So we'll be ready for Mexico. Yeah, man. But anyway, I'm Rod, it's my 03 Cobra. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I want to thank everybody for watching, tuning in, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. I couldn't be happier. I appreciate all the support, for real. This summer we got a lot planned, bro. Car meets. I got a lot of buddies with nice cars that I'm gonna be actually pulling up on and, you know, going over their builds. All type of stuff. A lot of Mexico action, you know. It's what I'm doing all the upgrades for, really. I mean, the wheels are more or less for me on some hot boy shit, but you know, the major upgrades, the pulleys, the fuel system, all that stuff is to be ready to be somewhat competitive for Mexico. So we'll see what the summer has. We're gonna get some great runs in with a lot of cool people. You know, I got a lot of crazy people with like 800, 900, 1200 horsepower builds in my corner, but I won't be racing them. Maybe I might get a little fun running with them, who knows. But I wanna race and enjoy the race. If you get what I'm saying. So we'll see what the car puts out on E85 and, you know, all the other little upgrades we plan on doing, 4-pound lower, etc., etc. We'll see what happens, you know. Hopefully we're looking at 600 to 575 horsepower, you know, 580. That would be nice. Be greatly appreciated, you know. Yep, beautiful day. We do have some maintenance to get done. I will be getting this damn ABS light turned off. It is a common thing with the Cobras. The little ABS modules go bad in the IRS. You don't really need them. You don't really need ABS, but you know, some people prefer to have them. So I'm definitely getting that turned off. You know, go over the suspension, make sure all that stuff. I got complete tie rods, ball joints, you name it for the front, tubular K-member, all that good stuff for the front. So the complete front will be redone, and then possibly over the winter we'll be looking forward to doing the IRS. You know, it's a little costly, but it's kind of worth it. Sheesh. I'm so glad the summertime is here, boy, I tell you. Haha. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to switch up my tune. I'll no longer be on 93. For the most part, I will have two tunes. I have a tune for 93 and I'll have a tune for E85. But, you know, for the most part, I probably will just be on E85, you know, just to always be prepared. You know, 93 will be if I need to go, or when I go on my little road trips, trying to hit Tennessee. I got a buddy out there with one that I'm actually trying to go link up with, and probably go do Tail of the Dragon with him, which would be cool. Damn. That was almost a crazy accident. These people really can't drive, bro, to be completely honest. These guys are like horrible drivers. Jesus Christ. I don't want to be nowhere around her. I want to be far away from her. Sheesh. This is the epitome of a bad driver, bro. Jesus Christ. They are bumping today. Damn, everybody trying to change their oil today? That is crazy. Jesus Christ. Thank God I changed my own oil. Haha. For surely. It's a Sunday, bro, and it's nothing but traffic on a Sunday, which is crazy to me anyways. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Had to get out of that traffic, man. Jesus Christ. Figured I'd cruise the nice neighborhoods today. If you know where I'm at, you know where I'm at. They are building something massive over yonder. Crazy how these guys have like $1 million neighborhoods over here and the roads ain't talking about nothing. Jesus Christ. doing a hot 20. Man, bro, would it kill them to repave this stuff? Jeez. That man looked like a zombie. Definitely. Just let me get out of here just a little bit. Give me some room to maneuver this thing. Yep, and I'm listening to Benny the Butcher. Haha. My joint. Jeez. Yeah, it's actually really nice around here. But definitely not for me. I like to cruise around here. But I probably would never try to move around here. Not trying to do that. Besides, I don't have the funds to get around here anyway. Not yet, at least. Car's running great, actually. Can't wait to see what it does on E85. Thank God for the people in my life. Boy, I tell you. Can't wait to see this thing on a dyno, on E, long tube headers, 4-pound pulley, 4-pound lower. Sheesh. It's gonna be amazing. Get me out of here. Probably gonna be amazing with the headers, honestly. I could see it and hear it now. Good old traffic. Just might be too many people in Georgia. Possibly. Just let me get on the highway, bro. Let me get away. Another beautiful, what is this? Sunday where I make the same turn. My boy said I need to get out of this area and go do some other driving. I probably will. I got some plans for the next video, but that is after we do the mods. Who's in my spot? Up in a second. Yep, beautiful day. Spring is officially here, and I am very, very happy. Couldn't be happier, actually. I could be happier. Car could be done, and spring was here. I could be happy. Haha. But for right now, this works. Brakes work really good too. Well, I'm here. It's my street. Pray for me, guys, that the rest of that fuel system lands this week, and we will be dropping this thing off and inject it. But until next time, peace.